and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and today you join me from the iconic Ace Cafe in London for a car meet that's been organised by a group called Car Goals UK. I hadn't actually heard of Car Goals UK until I saw the post on Facebook about today's event, but I thought I might as well come down and see what's going on anyway. I used to come down to the Ace Cafe at least once every month for the Ford night, but since they got rid of the roundabout, the meets down here are a bit tame, so I haven't really been coming down here much. So with me today is obviously Kat, my partner in crime, and we've come down in Maude, the Maude Mk2 Escort. Fred's here with his missus HANAH as well, and they've come down in the latest addition to Fred's fleet, a 1 Series BMW diesel that had a smashed up front end just a few weeks ago, but is now looking really smart. Daz and Nath are here with us as well. Yeah, the car park is already full, but we're going to get some grub first, and then after that we'll come and have a more detailed look at the cars that have come down today. What are you getting?
I'm tempted to get a big pie.
Big pie?
What do you get?
Don't know yet.
Fish and chips.
There's Tabasco on there.
Oh yeah, you probably have Tabasco.
Not a lot left.
What happened, Nath?
Cheers, son.
It's my trademark, mate. So I've been here.
What a waste. Right, now our bellies are full. We're going to go and check out some cars. Some have already left, but the car park's still pretty full. Right, I'm just going to go and get Maude and see if I can park it inside the car park. I doubt it, to be honest, but I might be able to at least get it closer to the cafe. So we managed to somehow sneak Maude into the car park. Looking very out of place. So that concludes our evening here at the Ace Cafe in London. A really wide array of nice cars down here tonight, so Car Goals UK is definitely a group that I'll be looking out for in the future. If you thought this video was any good, give it a thumbs up and a share. If you thought it was shit, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe and activate the notification bell to be kept up to date with any other videos that I post in the future. Make sure you check out my Facebook and my Instagram, and I'll leave the links you need for that in the description of this video. From me and the rest of us down here at Ace Cafe, until next time, thanks for watching.